Hey everyone, it's Val here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another unboxing video, and this time it's an Ipsy unboxing. So my Auntie Crystal, she was nice enough to send me a link to get a free month of Ipsy, and I took advantage of it, and then I also got another month of it Ipsy. And I was like, might as well, let's go ahead and try it out. I probably will cancel my subscription though because I don't think I'll really need it, but I just wanted to try it out. So this is the first one. So I actually have two that I'm going to be opening, and this is just the first one. Ooh, okay, so this is the bag that they sent me. It's like a little cactus, like kind of reminds me of like the desert, but also beach vibes. So go ahead and open it. And it says Force of Nature. So on the inside it says Force of Nature. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what it says. And it says here, Force of Nature, whether you love your naked face, skincare is the new foundation, or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. So I kind of just do skincare, but this is a little card what comes in your bag, and at the back it says May's limited edition drop glam bag times Chloe. I don't think I have the glam bag, I don't know. So what I got is the Hey Honey Boosted Up Honey Rich Moisturizer, and this, it says get ready to glow. This luxurious cream plumps, brightens and moisturizes to give dry, dull looking skin a dewy, luminous look. Plus it's infused with honey to minimize redness and inflammation. That's probably going to be really good because I do get a lot of redness, especially when I'm wearing with all this mask wearing. My face gets really freaking red, so that'll be very beneficial. What's wrong? Also, Charlie's in my room. He's almost always in my room, but I would probably have him downstairs with my mom or with my mom while I'm making this video, but she's taking a nap. I'm making a video. We just did your video. We just made your video, now it's my turn. Go get it. Charlie's kind of obsessed with me and I'm kind of obsessed with him, but yeah. And then I got a mascara. So this is the Mad Lash, or this is the Balm Cosmetics Mad Lash Travel Size Mascara. The difference between nice lashes and having an amazing lashes, this volume boosting formula right here. This unique molded wand grabs onto every lash and lifts it to new heights. Plus the rich black color is super pigmented and lasts all day without flaking. Shake the bottle or tap it on your palm before applying to help coat the wand in color. So this is the Balm Cosmetics Mad Lash Travel Size Mascara. Oh crap. Charlie! Leave me alone. And then I also got Feel the Beauty 4D Highlight. Give me one moment, everyone. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave my door open so he's free to go whenever he'd like. So the next thing I got was Feel Beauty 4D Hyaluronic Acid Under Eye Cream. No more tired eyes. This multitasking eye cream uses flower extracts to minimize dark circles, plus moisturizing squalene and 4 types of hyaluronic acid to create a smoothing and plumping effect that's both instant and long-lasting. So this is the hyaluronic acid under eye cream, which will be very nice. And I'm glad I'm getting all of this skincare because I haven't been wearing any makeup except for maybe sometimes a little bit of mascara, but that's only sometimes, and lip balm because we have to wear masks, so I don't think I need to wear makeup, and probably when this pandemic ends I will, but right now I'm not. The next thing that I got was, it just fell. Probably won't use this, to be honest with you. Oh no. This is a Gaseous. There's a little carrot over the A. It's the large shader brush. This brush is a true multitasker. Use it with all your favorite cream and powder formulas. The ultra soft yet densely packed synthetic bristles make sweeping eyebrow or sweeping eyeshadow on your lids and applying highlighter to your brow bones and cheekbones so easily. So I probably won't use this. I don't really do my eyes except for mascara, and if I don't put anything on my eyes except for mascara because I'm not good at the whole eyeshadow stuff, and I don't use highlighter, so I will probably actually end up trying to sell this or not use it. I don't know, I'll probably sell it. I have Poshmark. If any of you want to follow my Poshmark, go ahead and I'll have the link down below, and I'll also have it over here. I think it's just Valerie. But I'll have that there so you guys can follow my Poshmark. And then the last thing that I got in this little Ipsy bag is the Item Beauty Fast Pass AHA Gel Cleanser Mini. It's an Ipsy exclusive. Yep, we scored TikTok superstar Addison Rae's Item Beauty products just for you. This refreshing cleanser is made with aloe leaf, cabbage rose flower, AHAs, and sodium hyaluronate to soothe, brighten skin, and hydrate. Tip: splash your face with cold water after cleansing. It'll keep bacteria and germs out. So this is what I got in that one. So that's everything that I got in this little Ipsy bag. Now it's time to open the next one. I'm kind of curious on what I got in the next one. Okay, so this one came in a box, which I didn't order anything extra, so I don't know why it came in a box. But I guess we'll find out. Holy moly. I honestly did not order anything else, and I hope I didn't get overcharged for anything. But I just got, oh my god, this is actually very interesting. So I got this thing. It says, "Oh, hi Dio, bye bye Bio." So this is some refreshments. I feel like maybe this was my mom, because I didn't get any refreshments. But in this bag, this is like a little satin bag. I gotta go on my account now and make sure that I'm not getting overcharged for anything. I got some refreshments, which I didn't even order. So I got some cleansing face wipes, which is nice. I got some Luscious hand cream. This is in the citrus spritz. So let's go ahead and put this on my hands and smell it. Let's see. It doesn't, oh, it smells citrusy. Obviously it's called citrus spritz. But it smells nice. No, I don't know, I'm not loving it, but like, I'm not loving it, I don't know. And then some stickers. And that's all I got in that little bag. And now, and then I got this. This is the Coco Cabana cream. It is for your skin. And then I got this bag. So this is like the rose gold bag. And in here, this one, let's see, this one doesn't have a name. This one's called Flower Power. So in this bag, we got a Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream, which is this one. And it says, close your eyes and take a whiff. The scented cream will transport you to the tropics thanks to Brazilian-inspired notes of coconut, orchid, and toasted praline. Oh, and the blend of body-loving oils. They leave skin hydrated for a full 72 hours. The next thing that I got was the Hanalei Kukui Lip Balm in Coconut Pear. So that's this one. And then it says, this minty balm is made with coconut and kukui nut oil, straight from Hawaii to moisturize, nourish, and smooth your lips with every swipe. The cruelty-free natural formula is made without unhealthy ingredients, like parabens and I can't pronounce the word, it's like phthalates or phthalates. And then the next thing I got is the Sugar Cosmetics Matte as Hell Lip Crayon in Miss Rosa. It's this one right here. And this one is a pair of oversized sunglasses and a swipe of this plum colored lip crayon equals your 2-second summer beauty look. It coats lips in intense plum color that stays fresh from your morning coffee to evening cocktails, and the matte texture, it'll never crack, flake, or dry out your lips, promise. And then I got the Helios nail polish in I Lilac You. So we're fully embracing spring's lighter color palettes with this soft lilac shade. This gorgeous polish dries to a smooth gel-like finish that lasts for up to 10 days. Consider it your new go-to for long-lasting manis. So that's this one right here. We're losing daylight, which is why I'm making the video right now. And then the next one is the last thing that I got in this is the Mamondi Petals Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser. There's something so satisfying about an oil to foam cleanser, and this rose oil formula feels like heaven on your skin. It gently dissolves makeup, dirt, sunscreen, mascara, and more for a clean, healthy glow. That's this one. And that is everything that I got in this, or so far. I think these are 2 months worth of the boxes. From what I can tell, it's 2 months worth. So I'm opening April and May. But that's what I got in this Ipsy, within April and May Ipsy box. And I guess I got refreshments too. I'll probably have to make sure that my refreshments are turned off because I don't want to pay extra for those. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys have Ipsy, go ahead and let me know down below. Charlie wants my attention now, so I kind of have to give it to him. But subscribe down below for more unboxing videos and just for more videos in general. And like I said, follow my Poshmark, and also I am doing a 100 subscriber giveaway when I reach up to 100 subscribers, so subscribe to my channel and you'll be entered in the giveaway. And yeah, so I'll see y'all next time. Bye everyone!